Hey, it's Jim from Delano Mountain Custom Models. I got this tank train that I did all the custom weathering on, assembled it. I think they're all different numbers, or there might be a few that are the same, but like they're a couple different styles. Very realistic. So I just want to run it by you. It's going to be up for sale on eBay. It's a premium item. It's only for the connoisseur. It's not a fire sale. It's from my personal collection, but I'm just making it available. So I'm not taking individual pictures of all the cars. If you're interested, you can either look at the video or look at eBay. It's going to be between $2,400 and $2,700. So, okay, why don't we take a look at this guy? It's led by 3 Bowser CPSD 40-2s. And I'm going to just run it by slowly so you can get an idea of what this looks like. But it's very impressive. Or at least I think so. It's all grimy, black, and then chalked with black and rust. Rusted wheels, rusted couplers, all done very similar. It's going to have an ELT device at the end. Ring Engineering doesn't make them anymore. I bought one from Bachman, but I need 36-inch wheels. So I got to figure that one out. I mean, this is either a private collection for somebody who really, really wants the item, or it's going to be something that a club would want. Everything on this layout's for sale, basically. It's not a fire sale, so you know. It's an I'm making it available for sale. And I'm going to keep that video running. So while that train is going by, my Amtrak's going to come by. So I'll show the Amtrak again in this video. And again, this has the Amtrak train is a Superliner train that I assembled over a little period of time until I found almost all the Kato cars. It has a Kato, 2 P42s that I put custom sound in, and lighting. And the marker lights work, but somehow I just don't have them working right now. And so this is the longer part of my layout that they're running on, so I could run 2 trains comfortably without having to blink an eye at worrying about having them interfere with operations. And that's pretty cool. And that's it for now. I have a couple other trains I want to run by, but I'm not going to do that in this video. All right.